Hello, my name is Juan Lugo, and welcome to Memorial High School Technology Committee Screencast on how to override your grades in PowerTeacher Pro Gradebook. So the first thing we want to do is go to our score sheet, and once we're here, we want to find the grade we want to change. We click on the grade, the percentage, and then Score Inspector opens up on the left side. We then find where the percentage points are, click on there, and input our new grade. Click Save, and now the grade has been changed. As you can see, we have this new half arrow in the corner. That lets the teacher know that a grade has been overwritten and that the student's grade will now reflect whatever they've inserted. Let's do another one. Click on this student, come over in the Score Inspector, put our new grade, and click Save. So now, let's just say you wanted to revert this grade back to what it used to be. All you have to do is come to the grade box here in the Score Inspector, and this half circle arrow, you click on it, and now it reverts back to the original grade. Now let's say you wanted to change your student's grade, and we wanted to have this student have a C. You want to give them some extra points. You click on there, and now in the Score Inspector, you see a 68. You simply click on here and put 70. But what you also have to do is also click up here and change it to a C-. You click Save, and now the student has a new grade. Now, in order to revert it, just like before, we go to our circle arrow here and our far right, click on it, and now the grade comes back to the original. My name is Juan Lugo, and thank you for watching Memorial High School Technology Committee Screencast on how to override your grades in PowerTeacher Pro Gradebook. Have a great day.